Pret A Manger, Key Franchise Information. Series. Franchise Business. The Guide to Franchises. Goals, Mission, and Vision of Pret A Manger. Pret A Manger is a global fast casual brand known for fresh handmade food and organic coffee. The name means ready to eat in French, and that's exactly what Pret delivers: quick, nutritious meals for busy people. The company was founded in 1986 in London by Julian Metcalfe and Sinclair Beecham, who wanted to offer healthy food made daily, without preservatives. Pret earns money through dine-in and takeaway sales, catering, subscriptions, and branded retail products. Its mission is to serve freshly prepared food that's good for people and the planet. The brand's vision is to expand globally through ethical franchising, bringing Pret's signature sandwiches, salads, and soups to new communities. Are you wondering if a Pret A Manger franchise is right for you? In this video, we'll give you key information about Pret, from the brand's mission and vision, through its business model, to the support it offers to franchisees. This will help you make an informed decision about investing. Hi 1. How does a Pret A Manger franchise work? Learn about the business model. Key information. Franchise model. Pret A Manger operates on a structured franchise model focused on quality, consistency, and ethical sourcing. Franchisees manage their own locations under Pret's brand, following strict standards for food prep, service, and sustainability. Fee structure. Franchisees pay an initial fee of $5,000, plus 6% royalty and 2% marketing fees based on gross revenue. Support from Pret A Manger. Franchisees receive full support including site selection, store design, staff training, and operational guidance. Pret also provides access to its digital platforms, marketing assets, and sustainability programs.
Anecdote. When Pret opened its first U.S. store in New York City in 2003, it sold out of sandwiches by lunchtime. Locals were amazed by the freshness and speed.
2. Entry costs for Pret A Manger. How much does it cost and what earnings can you achieve? Key information. Initial costs. The total investment ranges from $5,000 to $12,000 depending on location and store size. This includes franchise fee, leasehold improvements, equipment and signage, POS systems and tech setup, inventory and uniforms, permits, licenses and legal fees, pre-opening payroll and training. Additional funds for 3 months of operations. Potential earnings. Average annual revenue per location is from $95,000 to $15,000. With profit margins from 12% to 18%, franchisees can expect net earnings from $13,000 to $27,000 annually.
Anecdote. One Pret location in Washington, D.C. hit $1.6 million in sales in its first year, thanks to a breakfast menu tailored to nearby office workers.
Step by step, how to register a Pret A Manger franchise and how long does it take? Key information. Registration process. Submit an application, attend a discovery call, complete interviews, review the franchise disclosure document, FDD, and sign the agreement. Documentation. You'll need a net worth of $7,000 and liquid assets of $35,000. Pret looks for experienced operators with a background in food service or hospitality. Duration. The full process takes from 6 to 12 months, including approval, training, construction, and launch.
Anecdote. During a franchise presentation in Chicago, one investor was so impressed by Pret's zero-waste kitchen model that they signed the agreement before dessert.
4. Taxes and fees in Pret A Manger. What do you need to know before you start? Key information. Income tax. Federal and state income taxes range from 21% to 35% of annual gross profit. Property taxes. These apply only to owned real estate and range from 1% to 2% of property value annually. Leased properties are not subject to this tax. State and local taxes include sales tax from 4% to 10%, use tax, and local business fees such as health permits, signage licenses, and food handling certifications. Licensing fees. These cover food service permits and business licenses. They average 0.5% of annual gross revenue. Training costs are not included here. Marketing fees. Pret A Manger charges 2% of gross revenue for national and regional advertising. This includes digital campaigns, seasonal promotions, and brand partnerships.
Anecdote. One franchisee in Boston used their local marketing budget to sponsor a Lunch for Nurses Day, boosting weekday traffic by 42%.
I-5. Hiring employees in Pret A Manger. How many do you need and what are the training costs? Key information. Number of employees. A typical Pret A Manger location needs from 20 to 35 employees, including baristas, sandwich makers, cashiers, shift leads, and managers. Training costs. Initial training costs range from $15,000 to $3,000 depending on travel, lodging, and wages. Ongoing training is provided through in-person sessions and digital modules. Training systems. Franchisees and managers complete a multi-week onboarding program. Crew members use Pret's e-learning platform and receive hands-on coaching from certified trainers.
Anecdote. One Pret team in Philadelphia trained entirely through Pret's digital platform, and won Best Guest Experience in their region just 2 months after opening.
Pret A Manger. Operational costs. What expenses will you face daily? Key information monthly. Ingredients and resources. $18,000 to $3,000 depending on menu volume and supplier contracts. Salaries and benefits. $22,000 to $4,000 including wages, insurance, and bonuses. Rent and utilities. $3,500 to $8,000 depending on location and lease terms. Insurance for premises. $2,500 to $2,500 covering property, liability, and workers' comp. Maintenance and utility. $1,000 to $3,000 for repairs, cleaning, and upkeep. Licensing and marketing fees. $4,000 to $7,000 based on gross revenue. Total of all taxes. Around $3,000 to $6,000 per month including income, sales, and property taxes. Other, 30%. Miscellaneous costs like legal, accounting, income tax, etc.
Anecdote. One Pret A Manger in San Francisco sold over 9,500 salads in a single weekend, forcing the team to restock greens and dressings twice in 48 hours.
Loving the video? Make sure to hit that subscribe button, give us a like, and share your thoughts in the comments. 7. Training and support. How does Pret A Manger help its franchisees? Key information. Initial training. Franchisees complete a multi-week onboarding program that includes classroom instruction, hands-on training at flagship stores, and digital modules. Topics include food prep, customer service, inventory, sustainability, and POS systems. Operational support. Pret provides ongoing help from regional managers and franchise coaches. Support includes grand opening coordination, performance tracking, and local marketing guidance. E-learning platform. Crew members use Pret's digital training system, which includes interactive lessons, videos, and quizzes. It's updated regularly to reflect new menu items and procedures. Marketing. Franchisees benefit from national campaigns, seasonal rollouts, and local store marketing kits. Pret also provides access to branded assets, social media templates, and analytics tools to track campaign performance.
Anecdote. One franchisee in New York trained their entire team using Pret's digital platform, and won Best Operational Launch in their region just 2 months after opening.
8. Franchise inspections in Pret A Manger. What are the requirements and what to expect? Key information. External inspections. Local health departments conduct food safety and sanitation checks every 6 to 12 months. These include temperature logs, hygiene practices, allergen labeling, and food storage compliance. Internal inspections. Pret Corporate performs quarterly audits focused on cleanliness, service speed, food quality, and brand consistency. Surprise visits may occur during promotional launches or peak seasons. Frequency. Internal inspections are scheduled every 3 months. Franchisees receive detailed feedback and action plans to improve performance and maintain brand standards.
Anecdote. A Pret A Manger location in Chicago passed a surprise inspection with a perfect score, earning a Golden Spoon Award and a feature in the company newsletter.
9. Profitability of Pret A Manger. Is it really a profitable business? Key information. Profitability. Pret franchisees earn an average annual revenue from $95,000 to $15,000, with profit margins from 12% to 18%. Net earnings typically range from $14,000 to $27,000 per year. ROI. Return on investment ranges from 12% to 18%. Most franchisees recover their initial investment within 2 to 4 years, depending on location, staffing, and operational efficiency. Success factors. Key drivers include strong brand loyalty, fresh food appeal, efficient kitchen design, and high-margin items like organic coffee and subscription services. Locations near offices, travel hubs, and universities tend to perform best.
Anecdote. One franchisee in Washington, D.C. broke even in just 30 months, thanks to a location near a metro station and a loyalty campaign that boosted repeat visits.
10. Pret A Manger in the market. How is the brand doing today? Key information. Market position. Pret A Manger operates over 717 shops in 18 countries. It ranks among the top 10 fast casual brands globally and is especially strong in urban centers. Growth and expansion. Franchising now accounts for around 1/3 of Pret's global sales. In 2024, Pret added 81 new shops worldwide, including 10 planned for the U.S. East Coast by 2026. New York is now the brand's top-performing city outside London. Challenges. Rising commodity costs, labor inflation, and competition from Starbucks, Panera Bread, and Costa Coffee have impacted margins. Pret responded by lowering prices on popular items and expanding its Club Pret subscription model. Forecast. Pret expects continued growth through international franchising, menu innovation, and digital expansion. Its autumn 2024 menu was the largest launch in 5 years, and new meal deals are being trialed to boost food-to-go market share. Pret's management considers 2024 the first post-COVID year with stable trading data for long-term forecasting.
Anecdote. In 2024, Pret's filter coffee promotion in the UK led to a 60% sales increase, proving that even a 99-cent cup can drive big results.
11. Pros and cons of a Pret A Manger franchise. What you need to know before deciding. Key information. Pros. A. Strong brand reputation and ethical positioning. Fresh organic menu with daily prep. Global expansion and flexible formats. High customer loyalty. Cons. A. High initial investment. Strict brand standards and operational controls. To. Limited customization. Xiao Kui. Competitive urban market.
Anecdote. One franchisee in California said, Pret gives you the freshness, the format, and the foot traffic. You just need to bring the consistency.
12. How to choose a profitable franchise and avoid mistakes. Key information. Market research. Study local demographics, traffic patterns, and competitor density. Look for underserved areas or resale opportunities. Financial assessment. Review startup costs, expected ROI, and monthly cash flow. Consult with a franchise accountant or advisor. Consultations with experts. Talk to current Pret owners, attend Discovery Day, and read the Franchise Disclosure Document, FDD, carefully. Support evaluation. Compare Pret's training, tech, and marketing support with other fast casual brands. Franchise agreement analysis. Check for renewal terms, territory rights, exit clauses, and resale conditions.
Anecdote. One franchisee almost signed with a salad brand, until they saw Pret's coffee margins and realized breakfast was the real goldmine.
Conclusion. Who is the Pret A Manger franchise for, and is it worth investing? Pret A Manger is ideal for entrepreneurs who value freshness, sustainability, and a proven business model. With average annual revenues from $95,000 to $15,000 and profit margins from 12% to 18%, it offers strong returns for those willing to manage operations hands-on. Most franchisees recover their investment within 2 to 4 years, making it one of the more stable and ethical opportunities in the fast casual space. However, it's not for everyone. The initial investment ranges from $5,000 to $12,000 and Pret enforces strict brand standards. Franchisees must follow exact procedures, recipes, and layouts. Flexibility is limited in terms of menu customization, and success depends on location, staffing, and execution. Pret is best suited for multi-unit investors, experienced operators, and those with a passion for clean eating and community engagement. If you're ready to lead a team, deliver craveable food, and build a loyal customer base, this franchise might be your perfect match. Just be sure to do your homework, talk to current owners, and understand the commitment before jumping in. Anecdote. In 2024, a Pret A Manger in Manhattan broke the brand's single-day sales record, serving over 4,800 items in 24 hours, all through dine-in and catering. Bibliography. Franchise Times. Franchise Business Review. Franchise World. Franchising for Dummies. In the next episode of Franchise Business, the Guide to Franchises. Smoothie King. Is Smoothie King a good choice for you? With our guide, you have all the necessary information to make an informed decision. Good luck on your franchise adventure. Thank you for watching. If you like the subject matter of this channel, please subscribe, like, and comment. I wish you a day full of success.